nicely on baby bunnies. Oh wow, so another in the back. Puffer fish. I can't get fish because I'll get too attached to them, and it's no proper. You have to be a professional to have fish, because their water has to be right at all times, and I can't do that. I tried before.
Yo, I gotta find a bathroom.
All right. It might be in the front.
Have my phone back?
Yeah.
Thanks. African side-neck turtle. I just gotta have a place to chill.
Hi, do you see me? I see you. Really?
Yeah, a little gray. I don't think it's down here.
What's the number?
62.
Smart person.
Yeah, I know. I
You're
think
gonna
smarter
find
than me
it.
in most ways. I
No.
might have you beaten something or something.
Being a good boy?
Your lotion is by
I get caught up in my own head and I don't pay attention. So I apologize for causing you traumatic emotions. I really do apologize for that. You accept my apology?
Don't look right now. Okay, here we go.
Do you want to tell me what's on your
Oh
mind?
my god, I need a cover. It's so cold.
It's a work in progress, I guess.
Are you gonna smoke with me? Yeah. Okay. You found yours?
They're like car keys. I'm going for the key card though. The room.
Okay.
What?
I'm talking.
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
Huh?
I'm telling them that I'll be back.
Oh, okay.